Hey, Zubayer here. Today we will discuss about Breely conversion tracking through Google Tag Manager. So let's get started. Alright, so I have a Breely booking form on my contact page. Let me go to the contact page. This is the Breely booking form and I gonna track this form. And it is working as a iFrame. Let me show you. So if I go to the inspect, it is working iFrame. We can see. So let's go on the form. Yes, see here it is working as a iframe, and this is actually the from source. Let me copy and paste on the another tab to show you. Okay, so actually this is the from source, and this from is working as iframe on the WordPress website, and we're gonna track it. Now we will use a listener code to track it, and we will use Google Tag Manager. Then we will send the data to Google Ads. This is the Google Tag Manager that is working on the WordPress website, also on the Breely from. So we have a listener code. This is the listener code that will capture the from submission and send the data on the data layer. Here it is. Then we can track the conversion using this listener code or data layer. Then we can send it to Google Ads, and we will also send the enhanced conversion. So let me preview. Okay, connect. Okay, let's take the data layer. We are in the home page, and let's go to the contact us page. So contact us. Then let's book the form. Yeah, next name, and we have to put our email here. Okay, then confirm. Okay, now let's check the data layer. Okay, the data layer is working, and I see the Breely step 1, then Breely I step books, then finally we are getting Breely submitted. Breely from submitted. Perfect, it is working. And if we check the data layer, I will see the user data, maybe client email address I am getting, and also I am getting full name, then all the information here to enable the enhanced conversion. At least we have the email to enable the enhanced conversion. Then we can create a Google Ad tag and we can send the data. So let's do it. And Google Ad. Okay, then goals. Okay, create conversion action. Then website, we have to put our website here, scan, then manual and conversion action. Then it will be a lead form, so submit lead form. Then it is really, or we can also use the book an appointment. Yeah, then one, then done. Okay, save it. Google Tag Manager, we need the conversion ID. Okay, let me do it. Then at first we have to create a Google tag. Okay, but we can create the Google tag using another way. Let me create the conversion tag first. So conversion ID, then we can create Google tag from here. Just click on the create, then just save it. No need to change anything because the ID is okay. So save it. Then conversion label, we have it. This is the conversion label. Just copy it and paste it here. Then conversion value, no need. Currency, no need, but we need to provide the enhanced conversion data. I don't find it because I have to create another tag to do it. So now we can set up the trigger. The trigger will be custom event. So this one, just copy the event name here. Yeah, this one just copy here. So it is a lead or it is a booking. Yeah, booking. Then submit. Okay, now we have to use a name for the tag Google Ad booking, then save it. Now I also need a tag for the enhanced conversion, so we will use user provided data tag. So user data, it is actually Google Ad user data. So let me mention Google Ads user data, then user provided data event, conversion ID, we already have it here, this one. Okay, then we need to create some variable for the user data. So it is user data, then we will just use the email. We can get the email using this extension. So this one. Okay, I think we need this key. Just copy it, then we need use data layer variable. Okay, then save it, and it is actually email. So email, then save it. Okay, now it will work. We don't have phone number maybe on the field, but we can also use it when we have the phone number. For my case, I don't need it. Just save it. Okay, then the trigger will be booking, or we can run it also on the all pages. Okay, let's run it on only for the booking. So save it. Okay, nice. Now we can preview to test the setup. Preview. Okay, it is loading. Now we have to test again. Okay, again we are now on the home page. Let me go to the contact page, then complete the booking again. So yeah, next name, then email, then confirm. Yes, okay, we are getting the event. In here I see the Google Ads booking fired, and I should also see the conversion action is working here. Let me just reload. Okay, which one? Okay, it is getting the data. See here, it means it's working. And if I also check the user provided data, it should also work. It is working perfectly because I see the email here, it is capturing, I also see the event name, everything is working perfectly, and on the data layer I already have everything. Thanks for watching. If you need help with data or want to make sure your tracking is working perfectly, I would love to help. You will find a blog post with more details in the description along with my WhatsApp and booking link. Just book a free consultation or send me a message. Let's make your conversion tracking work.